What's the news all day bright? Hey, caffeine, keep me tight. Rush of highs, thrill of lows, up and down the market flows. Wins can come but losses show. Gotta be ready for the blow. Day trading life, up or down strife. Gains and the losses, counting the costs. Late night talks with the graphs, balancing my cash and laughs. Hopes and dreams in the drafts, gotta keep an eye on the shafts. Every tick, every beat can make my heart skip feet. Numbers dance tricky feet, gotta be cool in the heat. Day trading life, up or down strife. Gains and the losses, counting the costs.
Shit. Good morning, everybody. Forget. Welcome to NFP Day. Sorry. Still trying to figure out how to stream. Anyway, everything is looking good here. So, fuck you. Okay, cool. I don't really have any levels. I don't really know what I'm looking at yet, but I was thinking we just end up trending back up all the way to whatever last day's high was, 1940, 50. But yeah, I am curious though if we get some sort of retrace here, which I think we'll try in a different account. But other than that, that's it. So happy Friday. I'll be right back. I want to grab my tea. Here we go. We're open. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. All right. Gotta be. Sure, why not? Okay, good. All right. Okay. 1870 incoming. Or not. Nah, it's going to. It's gonna pop that top. Yeah. Makes sense. I mean, I guess the real retrace, but yeah. Would have been there just off the bat. Okay, decent. Yeah, that makes sense. Might have missed it, but we'll see. Kind of looks like I did. this counts kind of like my test account because it's already kind of blown. But we'll see. But yeah, it looks like we'll get stuffed up. It's fine. Yeah, so I totally did miss that. Totally. What the fuck happened? Yeah. Sometimes it works when it like retests, but most of the time no. But I'm gonna try one more over here. Well, why am I in 2 now? Alright, I'm confused, but we'll take it. Oh, I should actually take one off here so I don't get fucked. Because I only wanted one. There we go. Alright, so we're doing what? 100? Sure, makes sense. Get up there. Get up there. Oh yeah, alright. So that was, if I was doing 1 mini, that would have been 500, but nice. Man, I forgot to hit record because I like to, whatever, I'll just have to edit this video later. Actually, I should just be recording so that I don't have to pull it off of YouTube, but whatever. Man, that was a nice, like, dump, rip to my point, and then rip back down. Alright. But yeah, so the reason I took that trade was sometimes I've noticed that, especially if there's consolidation or just even another pullback that likes to wipe out some of that liquidity that may be sitting there. So I'll do, obviously this is non-farm payroll. I don't really look at it much. I just kind of consider it as a one swing, and then I'll consider this as like, well, a second swing, even though it really didn't make a new high, but enough to consider it. And then we had all of this until we opened. So I was thinking, yeah, just a small retrace back down to here, and that was kind of it. It wasn't, rocket science. We were pretty bullish. So with that knowledge, I figured we'd bounce somewhere, and this is where we bounced. Yeah, and obviously we could have easily just, maybe went to here and bounced, or not at all, because it's done that. But I think just with how strong non-farm payroll was, that was actually a great entry. Okay, I'm gonna need to write that down. Wow, that was literally less than a minute, right? 32. Yeah. Yeah, I got it at 32. Got it at 33. Nice. Those are my preferred trades when they're like instantly 1 minute. Just a 1 minute trade. That's what I really like. Alright, well anyway. Got rid of yesterday's loss. We had 26. Volatility's great, but I'm not really loving this so much. I'll be right back. Alright, so I should have taken this short right here, but I was distracted, and then I was like, is this gonna hold? God damn it, dude. That was the short, and I missed it. It's the hard thing about trading. Sometimes you're not always 100% focused, and you miss the trades that would have really worked. Fuck me. Alright, well, let's just hope that. Also, I was so wrong. It was like 1970 incoming. Nope, reverses. Alright, well. That would have been such a beautiful short, dude. And I was thinking it after this rejection, and then I was like, but then that's why. Maybe I was about to take that trade because I was fixing my stop loss and take profit, and then I had to say goodbye. That's okay though. That is okay. We'll find a new one. Hopefully it's not gonna be like yesterday where I totally missed the trade. We're at 34. Oh my god. You know, I kind of liked volatility back when it was around like the 20s in the morning, but 35 is hard for me to trade because it's how easily it can go so far out of your direction. It's Saturday. You're down hundreds of dollars. Well, nothing to do but sip my tea. I don't know if y'all are tea drinkers, but I had to replace my coffee drinking with tea drinking because coffee is too acidic and it was giving me acid reflux. So that's not good. That's good tea. I like jasmine green tea, and then I have a oolong tea. That's pretty nice. But that's what I'm doing. We'll see what you know, the picture for my thumbnail Friday. Okay, not entirely the worst. I like the background. That was easy. It's just a picture of me that looks a little but that's kind of what these thumbnails be looking like. Jesus. That was like the only early pullback. Fuck. Alright, whatever, dude.
Let's answer your questions real quick because they're stupid. Some of them, there are no stupid.
Pop on the street. I don't know if you got a game out there, but Sony apparently had this game that they were developing for like 8 years, and it was probably one of the biggest flops in history. Only 600, 700 congruent players were playing it at launch. And then they're just like, yeah, we're just gonna pull this off the shelf and give you back your money. So, that was something. How, from the start to the top, that was a 700 tick drop. That's fucking nuts, dude. From the start, just no pullback, straight down. 700, I don't want to do the math. Well, 100's 25, so. 1900s. I mean, that's like what, 200, 700, something like that. 180. Jesus. That's crazy, dude. Do we pull back to V1 or do we pull back to my 50%? Alright, so now we're at 40. Holy shit, dude. How much is 40 ticks? trust this as a pullback? Should one take this as a pullback? Dude, there's no way I'd get that much 400 ticks in profit if I'm doing a 2-to-1. Well, maybe, but God, that's just too much. I just don't think that's ideal. I'll tell you what right now. Should I take this trade? This might be a really bad idea, or one of the best trades I've ever taken. Will I get insta-ripped or not? I might just end up taking off early, but what the fuck? Am I in a trade or not? I put my limit down, it goes through it, nothing. Why did it reject it? Am I getting... Alright, there we go. Alright, let's see what happens. I might take this off early. I really don't like this as a trade of how big it is, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay. I would like a flush down, but yeah, who knows? Alright, well I didn't really like that, but I might give this one more candle, but maybe one more candle too late. I don't think I have any intention of holding this target. Just give me a sign you're gonna keep selling down. That'd be awesome. Nice cliff right here on volume. I'm nervous, but it's looking alright. Yeah, whatever. Come on, take it off. I don't like this. Oh my god, and then it goes. And then it goes. That has so far been my biggest problem in trading, is not holding certain trades. Which was sucks, because I would have liked to have at least gotten, you know, more money out of it, but whatever. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's probably gonna go back up, but yeah, I do not feel comfortable with trying to do a 400 tick profit target. That is dog shit. Because I'm more of a scalper when it comes to it. But that much is just not making me feel good. Yeah. Well, at least if I had held it for a second, I would have gotten something out of it more, but the real question is, should I re-enter where, like up here? But my biggest fear is like how like the whipsaw, you know? I would like to say there's no reason why I can't take it, other than just because of big price targets, but I mean, really, if I wanted to be somewhat smart about it, I could just do quick scalp of 40 points because of how much volatility. If you think about it that way. But this does seem like the better reversal right here. But, you know, obviously with this much volatility, it's really hard for me to think that this is a good idea to short it. Does anyone else have any ideas? No? Okay. Well, I guess you gotta risk it sometimes. Because, yeah, I think that might be either an area where it consolidates or just a good trade. I'm starting to think the best thing to do is not take a trade. But I really want to get my 400 for today. Yeah, but it does look like it just wanted to make a small pullback, or a big pullback, really. Damn, dude. Guess one must have conviction. Unfortunately, I do not. Yeah, that would have been a nice one. I gotta get to a point where I feel better about taking a loss, but sometimes I don't. But I think I should at this point because of how like if I'm doing a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio, which before I was just doing 1-to-1, and so I think now I have enough, I guess, power to kind of double that. You know what I mean? That I can actually like breathe a little if I lose. Although I said that to myself last time and then I lost twice in a row, which really irks me. But I did ended up, I still haven't made it all back, but that's just because I haven't made like a complete trade yet. But you know that don't let Trump demand voter ID and paper evidence. I would just like to say that you cannot vote if you are not a citizen. I just want you to know that. Anyway. Although I will say oh, never mind, I'm sorry, I'm rambling right now. You know that guy, I think his name's Kane. Yeah, that dude got paid out like almost $2 million from Apex. That's fucking crazy. Except he says he has like 40 accounts, which I don't believe you're supposed to have, but interesting. Dude's in the UK. Oh, you can check I want to know how you make $2 million. I know you get 20 accounts with 90K, but holy shit. It's probably because he did that over many months. That's what I would assume. anyway, at least part of that would have worked out. Yeah. I guess you gotta be a little bit more patient, Ethan. I really think I need to start moving towards the evening because of how much volatility. Like my mental is not used to really, really big swings because I've always just done, because I'm still evolving as a trader. I've always just done 40 ticks, stop loss and profit, and then I started kind of wising up that maybe I should change with the volatility of the market, because sometimes I'll get stopped out and then it'll go right in my direction, and I was right. So I think I just wasn't really used to this, but that was the trade. So, but anyway, we're up $13, so slowly building this account, guys. Well, now we can wait the next 30 minutes for absolutely nothing. I wonder if the other dude... I think if I just had... I don't know. Well, I don't want to say I don't know, but I really think if I was already rolling with trading and having like several accounts that I could just kind of gamble. I don't want to say gamble, but like, you know, if I was actually had a lot of years under my belt and money already made, then I wouldn't mind, you know, like buying back in. Because FASTTRACK is just easy that I don't need to like pass an eval. It's just, there you go, there's your account. So, did he make anything? Nah. Yeah, maybe it is smart that I'm not trading, because I don't see any other streamers trading today, so probably should do it another time. Let me set something up here. Hold on. So I journal, right? Let me put in my journal. Let me open that real quick. I want to know how I can. Let me. Fix my just chatting window. Actually, I don't need that one. I need a new one. Window capture, screen capture. No, not that. Browse source. Yeah. I don't know how this works, but we're gonna try this right now. Is it working? Apparently, sign in to see this page. Yeah. Well, I can't do that because it's on this fucking thing. So, no. God damn it, dude. Maybe if I made it public, but... Alright, we'll have to try something else. Hold on. It would be a whole lot easier if that's what I had, but I don't. Which one would it be? It wouldn't be window capture. Would it be game capture VR? Screen capture. Okay, I don't know if you can see that fairly well. Let me check my stream. Not too good. Also, the quality, set it to 1080p so that you can get better quality. Also want to get rid of that, so we just move it up or so. Oh, I gotta hold up. One above that one. There we go. I can just kind of make it as big as I need to. A little smaller. Okay. Perfect. Oh, God. The coloring, though, is absolutely horrendous. Whatever. Life of a small streamer, I guess. They don't give you the good. They don't give you the good stuff. All right, so this is how I journal on my Notion. Actually, this is how I've updated on my journal. But, you know what? I haven't figured. It's a template. Honestly, it's just a table template. You can easily set it up yourself on Notion. So I do the dates. What was that trade at 9? Oh, well, that was the other one, but this one was at 9:43. I took it off at 9:45. And then I'll upload on Unlisted on YouTube the link to the video. We did what, 2? We did short first time. 1859. 1859.25. And then reason was a pullback. Stop loss. I was doing 200 ticks though. So 9, 11. Nope. 9, 10, 18, 9, 10. 18, 18, 9, 10. ATR was at fucking 41. Ew. Oh, yeah, I forgot the other half of this shit. Okay, so, and then I got like $13. So I'm up 200 on the week, which, you know, is better than being down 200 on the week. Alright, you can see that. No. Comment. How do you spell volatility? V-O-L-I-T-I-T-L-I. And send. Okay, and that's it. Okay, I'm gonna put it. Yeah, okay. Go back. Let's go back. Oh shit! I don't want to show that. Yeah. Okay. Here's what I'm thinking. This could be really great area. I know we hit the 20 EMA on that one, so but we did it. We are at the bottom of, I guess, this morning, so we either smash it or we don't. We bounce back up, but I am thinking this is going to be a better entry right here near this EMA. But also you can clearly see it rejecting there, but I don't know. We're about to find out. Maybe we're about to find out. I hope we're not about to find out in a bad way, because that would suck. I think it's been somewhat of a tough week. I didn't trade Monday or Tuesday because Monday was nothing. Tuesday I was traveling. Wednesday, again, just news all week, so it was hard. Please don't tell me that I missed it by 5. Well, 5 points is not the worst to miss something by, but I also, I wouldn't consider it. I guess people wouldn't consider it chasing, but if we actually like sell off and then keep going down, I have a hard time like hey, that's a A-OK rejection candle there, but I have a hard time telling myself to go ahead and buy that, you know what I mean, or sell that or whatever. Like obviously, like okay, I guess I could have sold it there and then taken that 100 ticks back to right here, but yeah, I don't know. It's really close though. That was probably the sell, and I missed it. Man. Just a tad bit too greedy. Just a tad bit. Just a tad bit too greedy. Because all I need is this right here. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I missed that. Imagine I never got that fill though, and then it like immediately goes back up and then back down. That would be sad. Hey, trading's hard, especially when it's just like not normal trading what you're used to. Volatility is not what you're used to. So you think that will pump back up here or nah? That is a real question. All right. Should I take a sell or not? I mean, it seems like that was a decent area to do it at. It just kind of seems to me that if we failed, then just we really could move back up, but just how fast and volatile this has been is really messing with me. And plus we hit the lows, just barely broke it, and then bounced back up. So, I mean, shit. You know what? My target would have been hit. Huh. Yeah, that would have been hit. And you know what I would have done? Well, I would be in some profit here. I would be in some profit. But, man, is this volatility hard. But that was ultimately a good area to take a trade. Because the thing is, if this was like, you know, if this was like low volatility, like, you know, 10 ATR, I would have been like, yep, no problem, I can easily, you know, trade that. But for some reason, I find this oh so difficult. I just can't make a determination of whether or not this is like bullish, like moving, pushing back up or not. Because if I was long from the bottom, I would think that. If I was long from the bottom, I'd be holding this. I mean, so far it's looking, shorts are still looking good. Trying to get ideas though. If somebody else is taking this trade, I will take this trade. So many ads. He's not doing anything. He's taking a short. Alright, I did say it. I would do it. If I can get in it. And I can't. Fuck. I should have looked at him first. Oh well. Dude, so fucking close. Yeah. Yeah, I would have hit my original TP. Damn. Like I said, very hard to trade for me. 2 winning trades back to back, and I didn't even take them. Because why? I don't know. I always go through phases of being nervous to lose, but man, that was such a great trade. Man, that was such a great trade. Well, can make more tea. Go on and say it, pussy. Damn. So 2 trades. And I just was like, yeah. I gotta stop doing that though, and just accept losses. It was 1, 2, 3. I guess realistically, I might be having just false beliefs that, you know, like if I said I would have thought this one was a safer bet of a trade, I would have thought that because of how I guess the range of this candle to pullback is like tighter versus this. You know, there was a lot more room in my head for it to move up, but realistically, it could have moved up and passed. So suppose I'm looking at false security versus what, you know, would be an actual good pullback. Where's my sticky notes? I need to write that down. False security. False sense of security. Because I think that is more of my issue. I mean, I have tons of issues, but false sense of security in trading setups. But then how do you reconcile having like, oh, this is an A plus setup, this isn't an A plus setup? You know? Man, it's so fucking difficult though. I'll tell you that right now. It's difficult because I don't follow through. What's I could just look for 2 trades instead. Just go lower on the risk 100 to make 200. Say 200 to make 400, so that way I can, take more trades, but it still comes with its own pack of apples. I really gotta figure out how to get oh wait, well, I guess I don't really, you know what, I like having 2 charts on my screen. I got a pretty big monitor, and I just like the fact that I can have like a 30-minute chart over here that I kind of look at some of the price action, and then I have my 1 minute that I normally trade on. But I need to have my web browser on so I can like read the chat, look at the chat, if there ever was going to be a chat. You know what I mean? Yeah. I think I could just put it down by positions. Something like here. Oh, but then every time I click on my chart, it's gonna go away. Fuck. Now, whatever. So anyway, that's what we're doing. At this point, I usually just end up watching like videos to entertain myself. But anyway, this this is Friday. Well, missed like 2 straight trades. I guess technically there's something here, but again, we're at the bottom. This is the 4th pullback. I really wouldn't trust it. Then again, we are pretty heavy. But the thing is, I will say that I've noticed is just by the 3rd or 4th pullback, one of them is going to be a reversal. Usually. So if I was a reversal trader, I would look for that. Yeah. Especially if I had this, as at the bottom, Because, I mean, I don't even know if this will reverse, but you could probably get a decent reversal all the way back up to the midpoint, so 830. Keeps hitting that 20 EMA and selling off. For some reason, I can't get the music to play on my stream. See? Wow. Alright, so I guess we're just gonna have a heavy downpouring day. So it's a good trade right there, too. Well, I guess that would have been a good trade too. Potentially, but can't believe we just rocketed it off of NFP and then immediately reversed that at open. You crazy market. Anyway, volatility's finally coming down, but I guess the reason I have security of thinking is that if it was a real pullback and we're going to continue lower, I would have more probability of success if my stop was at the highs than just, maybe here or whatever, depending on how many ATRs I have it. Now, you may be saying, why not just, put your stop at the highs? Because then then I'd have it might blow out my risk to reward ratio, and I already got things down pretty mathematically, so I don't want to really mess with that too much, but god damn it. I needed to extend the other way. Am I doing extensions wrong? No fucking way, dude. That's crazy. really did just say, fuck the longs. Straight down. That's crazy, dude. That is. We are just full bearish. The thing is, trading today is like actually really easy. The problem is me. I don't know why. Really easy today. Jesus Christ. Well, I will say I am up 200 on the week, so you know, not the worst week I've had. It's just a slow week. I don't know if I could somehow like. I feel like my risk appetite dwindles after like so many, I don't know, minutes, moments as the days go on. But I have to ask myself, like, should I take every opportunity? Well, I can't do that because of how I trade, but you know, how bad would my performance be at the end of the week if I just let it kind of like take the you know what I'm trying to say here, the trades, the pullback trades. Yesterday there was like no pullbacks, and then when there was a pullback, it was like, get me out of it. Like if I took every pullback, which was 1, 2, 3, 4, those are, well, the also problem is consistency rules. So I can't make too much profit in one day, and I can't lose too much in the next day. So which is why I max 3 trades. Okay, so if I, you know, I mean, you think I'm gonna have 3 consecutive losing pullbacks in a row? It might happen. I don't know. But then the max you lose 600 in a day. I don't know. It's the mental battle within. But hopefully one day I figure it out, because that's kind of something that just stands in my way mentally. Edit this shit. Problem's me, boys. Alright, well, I think that was enough opportunities for me to make a trade. Didn't trade. So I should go for sure. Where is the edit button? Alright. Oh shit, I gotta save it from. Go on YouTube. Click review. Alright, I'm gonna go. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you. Have a good one.